Evening everyone, myself Abhinav from CBSE Competitive School of Mohonia, and today I am present here to perform an experiment on circular motion in vertical plane. So for that, I have a mechanism here where there's a platform. Wait. Where there's a platform with 4 strings attached to each end and a beaker filled with water kept on it. So when I am freely hanging the system here, right now, as you all know that there are two forces in this circular motion. One very common force, the centripetal force, which always acts along the center, my hand, and over the radius. This means this string along along the radius and towards the center. So right now, the centripetal force is the string and the centrifugal force is the weight of this object applying vertically downward. So now let's see that if I rotate this system, does the part fall or not? So let's see. So as you see that the bottle and not a single drop of this beaker fall. So now let's see that what the concept behind this system. So look at this. So here, suppose that this O center is my hand and this object is that bottle, this is that beaker filled with water. So when I was letting that object hang to freely, at that time the tension was vertically upward and the weight of that object was vertically downward. And at that time the tension and the weight both are equal, and according to Newton's third law, action reaction law, as the both forces are equal in opposite direction, therefore the system will be in equilibrium, therefore the water will not fall in this state. And suppose this I have built that system to an angle theta, and in that case the tension will be along the string but they will be vertical downward. And what will the centrifugal force? That time the centrifugal force will be the component of weight of this object over the theta side. In that case, the centrifugal force will be mg cos theta, and this will be followed to all the points, even at the peak point. At the peak point, we know that the center will be minimum, means about to 0, but at that time the centripetal force acts as weight. The weight of this object becomes centripetal force as it begins to act vertically downward. But at that time, the pseudo force, the centrifugal force, will be a pseudo force which acts vertically upward and make this system to be in equilibrium. And all the infinite points of this circular path will be in same equilibrium, and therefore the water of this system will not fall. Thank you.